Hi traders, today I'm going to show you some technical opportunities to trade. Check the American dollar index. It usually helps me to understand should I sell or buy euro intraday. You can check news, and in the news list for today we saw China's PMI, which is worse than the previous ones, and usually it worked for me since 2014 that bad news from China show opportunity to buy American dollar index. So I mean to sell euro dollar. And also you could see that inflation in France is getting worse, which may cause weakness of euro. But right now on European session there were no signal to sell euro dollar. Let me show you technical level of resistance and support for American dollar. After that we go to euro dollar. For USDX, American dollar index, level of resistance on daily chart in 107.40, level of support 105.30, after that 103.30. On 4-hour chart, this is your resistance, 107.40. There is still no signal for us to buy or to sell. On 1-hour chart, what we can do, we can try to check the RSI because it looks like it's flat, but the volatility isn't too high, so it's kind of hard to realize that it really will show us some signal. We can go to 30-minute chart and we'll be like, okay, this is the signal for us to buy, this is signal to sell, and that's it. There is no other signal. If you check 15-minute chart, it's kind of the same. We can wait for buy signal. We can wait because of the news, because of RSI being near the 30 area, but right now there is no signal. So what you do on 15-minute chart for USDX, you follow the RSI period 14. After it gives you buy signal, you may buy intraday and change target on 30-minute chart. So after the RSI on 30-minute chart hits the support 30, gives you a rebound, you may buy up to 70 area. That's how it works. So it doesn't, it's not something like you should buy to 107, but you may try to do that after you get signal from RSI, and you can see gap over here on 1-hour chart and 30-minute chart. You can see gap over here, and you can see gap over here. It looks like we may get an opportunity by American dollar index up to that level. So your level of resistance 106.70, above that area buy up to 107.70. That's what it looks like right now, but I don't believe that it will happen for 100%. This is like our technical opportunity to trade. On euro dollar, your level of resistance is 1.06. It's still like that, 1.06, and there is still no sell or buy signal on daily chart. We go to 4-hour chart and you can say that it's flat. There is no sell or buy signal. You change to 1-hour chart, and if we believe that this is a flat situation, then RSI still didn't reach the 30 area. But I can't sell right now. My target for short positions go down to 101.60. 101.60. And what I'm going to wait for, I'm going to wait market to break support 103.30. And under 103.30, it looks like it's okay to sell down to 101.60. Other way, above 104.20, above 104.20, we may buy up to 106. For Great Britain pound, current price is 120 and they're trying to hit support 118.90. I still believe that this is the technical picture for today, tomorrow, because here's level of resistance that they're trying to hit, but they didn't break it yet. So your level of resistance is 120.20. Under 120.20, you're okay to sell down to 118.90. If they break it and they go higher, actually, I'm not going to work for Great Britain pound today in this situation because this is the last day of November and tomorrow is a new day of a new month. And I would say that it's much better to wait for a sell signal intraday, to wait for 118.90, than to try to buy it when you are between 2 months. You are between 2 months right now, so I wouldn't believe that it's a good idea. To be in a market with the Great Britain pound. Yesterday I was selling this instrument, but they still didn't hit the support 118.90. That was one of the targets. This one like 119.30. So yeah, this is like the middle target, but it's not that important actually. Under 120.20, I'm going to try to sell down to 118.90. So we can go to Brent oil, and Brent oil right now is 85.92. It's around 200 moving average on 1 hour chart. And if you check the 200 moving average on 4 hour chart, it's almost flat. It doesn't look like a good signal for us to trade Brent due to 200 moving average. I told you that under 91 we sell down to 77 area, but they didn't reach this area and gave us a rebound. On daily chart, this target 77 is still good. Yes, they may go to retest 89 or 91, but this is your target. It goes down to 77 and it's still like that. On 15-minute chart, you may try to sell from here actually. From 86, you may try to do that because it looks like we are in a range, and you can check the 30-minute chart as well. It looks like this is a good level. Pay attention to this level. It looks like a good one. So if they give a rebound from here, you may try to sell down to 83. Why 83? Because there was a gap, and you can try to sell down to this gap cover. Okay, if you go to gold, current price is 1,760, and on 30-minute chart, it also has a good resistance right now. And if you check RSI period 14, it's near the resistance area, near the 70 area. So if you trade intraday, you can try to sell from here down to 1,740. More resistance. Look over here. Yes, it doesn't. I don't say that they will not go higher. Yes, I do believe that here is level of resistance 1770. I told you about that. That right now they're near the resistance. RSI is giving us sell signal, so it looks like they may go down to 1744 and 1720. This is not 100% idea. This is a technical opportunity that I'm showing you that I'm going to use after I get signal. What signal looks like? I need a RSI signal. I need shadows on the top side. This is something I have, and I need a level of resistance. Here is level of resistance. Here is the shadow. Here is the RSI period 14 signal. It looks like a combo right now. So for silver, current price is 21.48, and they also have resistance over here. It looks like we can get sell signal on 30-minute chart or on 1 hour chart. After that, we can try to sell silver. I told you that it wasn't a good idea to sell yesterday, so we didn't sell. I hope you didn't sell, and your level of resistance is 21.48 and 21.78. It still may go that high. I told you about this level of resistance actually like a week ago, but yeah, it's still important. Market still may go there. So you don't decline it, okay? I don't believe that silver is going to go too high, but there is no strong buy or sell signal yet, so I have to consider different levels, resistance and support as well. So if they give you a rebound from this 21.48 area, and they give you shadows, they give you sell signal, so the RSI goes under the 70 area, and you see that American dollar index is trying to go high, so you sell silver and you will earn. This is my profit idea. I wish you profits, guys. about the platinum, I am not in the market. I'm not buying, I'm not selling right now, so I can't give you an advice right now, because what I'm waiting for a good trading signal to sell, but it's not going down, and I don't have buy signal. On any time frame, I don't have a good strong buy signal, because I see, for example, like idea to buy, intraday, yes, sometimes intraday, but like on monthly chart, it's still not good to buy right now. On weekly chart, I still can see resistance, and it's still not 100% idea. If I check the daily chart, it's kind of the same. There is nothing strong telling me that I should buy and hold it. So what I'm waiting for a market to show me good sell signal, and after they give it to me, I'm gonna be with you, telling you something like, okay, this is my signal, and you may work with this if you know the money management and you know how to put stop loss, take profit, and so on. I hope it will work for you as well. And also my favorite DAX. Why this is my favorite, because I earn money right now on it, and lately I work with DAX for like a couple of weeks. Okay, so here's the level of resistance, 14,400, but they still didn't give me sell signal on weekly chart. Daily chart, here is still no sell signal. This gap, I don't consider like, oh yeah, they should close it. No, they don't have to. They shouldn't. There is nothing telling us that they will go high. So on 4-hour chart, they are going into a Shimoku cloud, and if we are going to see those shadows on the top side, and we are going to see this, for example, American dollar strong position, this will be a moment for us to sell DAX as well as like some American index. For 1-hour chart, I don't trade. Seriously, I don't trade. I don't like it right now. I see those shadows on the bottom side. I see the shadows on the top side, and I'm like, what? What are you trying to show me? So you can say that price right now is on 200 moving average. You don't sell if they did not break the 200 moving average. You can check 30-minute chart, and they're around this 200 moving average. They broke it, retested, going down, not renewing the minimum, going up again, breaking, going down. So there is no strong signal, but they didn't break the 200 moving average on 1-hour chart, and it is important. After they break it, this is like 14,380, 14,380. After they break this level of support, I'm gonna go down to sell DAX, and my target will go down to 14,220, and after that 13,960. I wish you profits. Stay with me and press thumbs up under the video. Bye bye, guys.